To say the Detroit Supercross round for Eli Tomac was bad is kind of an understatement. Or not really bad, but a underwhelming performance. Let's put it that way. Finishing 10th is definitely not exactly where you think Eli Tomac's going to finish. Obviously, this year, coming back from injury, who knows? But there was a couple reasons for this, at least excuses people had. One, the fact that it was either an injury, which right here was kind of what people were talking about. You can see, that's the leg that he injured last year that ended his championship. And down here, dabs it, and then you can see it kind of, not exactly what you want from the leg that was injured. And whether that tweaked it a little bit or if it just kind of scared him, who knows. The other thing was maybe a shock problem or a shock failure. And this is where today, Jeremy Coker, the team president or whatever he is, said, quote, "Yes, I would like to respond. There was not a shock failure in any way. His current shock setup is good on hard to dry tracks. When we got to the sticky, ruddy dirt like this weekend, it sucked the rear of the bike down and in turn gave him arm pump." That's it, apparently. The reason he fell so far down from where he started is just because he got tired and not tired, but he got arm pump. So whether that's completely true or not, or if he tweaked his leg a little bit and it's just a convenient excuse, however you want to say it, I don't know. I think it's fine. Eli Tomac's never been exactly one of those people to start fast, I guess you could say. And I'm fine with it. Like, to come back from injury, to do all the work, to come back and at least race and be, I'd say 10th is competitive, and he started off well. Just, by the end of the season, we'll see where he falls. Because who knows how long he's really been on the bike, how long he's been pushing super hard. And it's just nice to see him back. He didn't, get injured last year and say, "Nope, sorry, that's it. I'm out. Peace." But I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. How well do you think he does this weekend? Who's going to win? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out a lot, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.